Hello, my name is Gantimani. I'm the sales manager for Joan, and we're here today at the Exertis Almo E4 event in Teaneck, New Jersey. I'd like to take this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about our latest solution, the Joan Visitor Management Solution. Now, visitor management is a software solution that allows you to send proper invites to all of the visitors that will come to your offices. Here you see a quick home page of our desktop platform, office.getjoan.com. You see here that we already have an existing invite to a Miss Jane Smith. Once Jane comes to the office, she will be greeted by our receptionist and, of course, a tablet that will allow her to do a proper check-in. Now, she can either do a pre-registration and then simply scan a QR code. She can scan the QR code that is visible on the actual tablet and then do a touchless option of the check-in, or simply hit continue, put down her information. As you can see here, it'll be auto-populated as soon as she puts down her first name. Click continue. Confirm additional information such as email, host, company name, and simply click continue. If there's no additional information required, such as an NDA or potentially a health questionnaire, and once that's done, the host will get a notification that Jane has arrived to the premise and simply come and greet her at the door. Jane will also receive a visitor badge that she can attach to herself, so at all times everybody is aware that she is a authorized visitor for that day. If you want to learn more about our visitor management solution, please visit getjoan.com or simply reach out to your Exertis Almo rep. Thank you.